Hey everyone, it's Tiffany here. We are at Costco. Come along with me as we find all the new products in Costco this week. Ooh, this is new. This is a universal vanity. Look at this. This is so neat. This lifts up. It has this three-way touch dimmer switch and it's got two drawers and they already have it like divided out. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is a chair that stores underneath. How nice is that? It's on rollers too. It has this extra cabinet right there. You guys, that is so cool. The price is $3.99. This is new. Now, they do have the dinosaur bookcase over here, but this unicorn one I have not seen yet. It is $119, and I think that'd be so cute in a little girl's room. Spring is just around the corner and they have these new 12-inch hydrangea arrangements, and I have to say these feel so real. You get different colors of peach, like a hot pink color, and look at that. It comes in a vase already to go. That is so cute. This new floor lamp is $69.99. This is beautiful. It is a steel construction. It has this nice like matte black finish and it kind of has like that antique feel to it. Now it is one box that it comes with, so this is the size of the box. It has the champagne glass shades and it says it has a four-way on and off switch, so that's pretty neat. It is 72 inches high by 17 inches wide. These set of 4 storage baskets are $12.99. These are really nice and sturdy. They even have a little bit of flex to them. Now you get 4 baskets. They have them in gray and in like this off-white color. They are 36 inches by 24 by 21. This is a rope basket. I actually have some of these rope baskets. This is $19.99. This is actually a great price. And I love how you can store these. You can fold these down and store them. So if you're not using them, they're not going to take up much space to store them. We use these to store our shoes when we come in from outside. They're great to store toys and even extra blankets. The Kirkland Everyday Wired Edge. Now you get 50 yards. These are $7.99 each. These are the different types of ribbons that they have. Now the edges are wired. You could definitely use this for all of your craft projects. And I'm telling you, 50 yards is really going to last you. Look at this. They have this glitter one with some flowers. They've got this iridescent one. They've got teal, polka dots, so many different spring colors. They have a lot of plants here. These will range from $30 to $29, so around the $30 price range. And I think that is a really good price because these are pretty large. Look at the vibrant colors. I love them. And these would make great indoor plants or even like outside on your patio. These ladies long sleeve Henley tops, $3 off, making them $9.99. They have this nice button down top here. These are really nice and light, so these are going to be great for days that it's just a little bit warmer out. They come in sizes small, medium, and all the way up to extra large. These ladies' pants are $4 off. They're $12.99 and they look like this. So they kind of come down to the ankle and they are wide-legged, which is totally in style now. You have these in the brown, the green here, and blue. It looks like they have sizes from 6 all the way up to 16. Every year, Costco will bring in some new cotton blend shorts. These are $14.99, and I have to say I really am liking the style this year. They come in blue, this mustard orange, and white. They are starting to mark down some of their winter items. As you can see, anything that has like that 97 cents on the end, that is going to be a clearance price. So you know they're going out. This is just some of the items that they have in the men's section, and I'll go and show you guys what they have in the women's. But they've got some dress pants for $14.97. They've got some men's polo shirts for $29.97, and some hooded tees and a zip-up jacket as well. And this is what I'm seeing as far as the women's goes. A lot of this stuff is $9.97. They even have a flannel shirt for $2.97. What? Let's see if we can find that. I know it's not these because this is Eddie Bauer. Probably that $2.97. There's just 1 or 2 left, but these are Jessica Simpson sweaters and they feel so nice and soft. That's a good deal. Only $10. These men's textured hoodies, these are divine. The texture on this is so soft. These are $14.99. Definitely grab some of these if you just need a light hoodie. These are so nice and stylish. They have like this waffle weave type texture, and I mean, that is so soft. I don't even know. Let's see if we can find out what these are made of, because they are soft. Maybe it's bamboo. They are made of 99% polyester and spandex, but I can't even believe these are so soft. They come in like this cream, green, and this blue. These are so cute. These character kids denim jacket and tee. Look how cute these are. They have the Mickey on them, and they also have it in mini, and look at her bows. So cute. Now these do come in sizes 2T to 6. Ninja Dual Brew coffee maker is $30 off. It says now $90. This is a great price. You have 3 different brew styles. You can do it overnight. You can have hot styles as well, and it does brew with pods. This is what it looks like right here. It comes with that nice carafe, so you could do 14 cups of coffee. You can brew directly into your cup, and it also has that water under the sink storage caddy. This is $14.99. This would be great to keeping everything organized in under your sink, so it has spaces for like sponges. You could probably put some towels here, or even hang up your spray bottles up on the top. This storage caddy keeps supplies organized with easy access. This seems to be a very hot item right now at Costco because they are almost sold out. This is a 10-piece multifunction silicone set. It includes 3 different sizes, a 3x6, a 4x8, and a 3x10. You can use these as a stovetop lid, jar gripper, a trivet, and it's heat dish up to 425 degrees, and it's freezer and dishwasher safe. And this is what it looks like right here, the smaller one, and this is the big one. This is a new 8 light LED island pendant. Now this is $99.99. Look how cool that is.
That's totally different.
I had to like leave because the people behind me were so excited about that light. So it's pretty cool. Okay, this is a 12-inch wall light, but I don't know. It kind of looks like a shower head to me. Does it look like a shower head to you? $24.99. Okay, this is pretty neat. This is a portable power bank jump starter. So $59.99. I believe that is a pretty good price, but you can like jump your car if it's like runs dead, and you can power things. It says it's the ultimate travel companion, floodlight, USB-A and USB-C outputs. It'll jump start 12-volt vehicles. It has a lantern light, 65-watt power delivery, USB-C. I just passed the patio furniture, and there was a guy there sleeping in one of them. I mean, not on his phone, like he was sleeping. Must be comfortable. Instant sneaker erasers. What? This is $14.99. Now it's $5 off. These are 20 instant shoe cleaners. Now this is kind of giving me the, oh my gosh, it's so light. Like it's kind of giving me the same like feeling as a magic eraser. You get 20 of them for $14.99. So I mean, that'd be probably great to like, if you're traveling, put them in your suitcase just to clean your sneakers. This is pretty neat, a metal patio privacy screen. Now it's all metal. It is a little see-through, $149, and this is the box that it comes in. So it's kind of quite big, but if you need a little bit of extra privacy in your patio area, this would be great. It might even like block out sunlight too. Cooling body pillow. What? Okay, so this is cooling. If you like to have pillows by you at nighttime, it's $14.99, and I do have to say that is pretty nice and cooling. Although I wonder if you can take this off to clean it, which I think that would be really good if you could take off this top here, but it doesn't look like you could do it. Do they make body pillowcases? I think you would need that. So it comes in blue, green, and this gray, but they are cool. That's very interesting. I don't know, I might have to get me one. Now they also have this bubble fur body pillow. Now this is $16.99, 28 by 48 inches, super soft faux. These come in like a blue, a gray, and like a beige color. These are like my all-time favorite pretzels of the year. They're strawberry and yogurt flavored. These are $2.60 off. These are now $5.89. Yes. Oh, I'm getting some. I just had a sample of these and they are delicious. These are barbecue chicken boa buns. They are kind of like sweet, and here, this is what they look like. These are $9.99, and you get 1 pound. Not sure how many are in here, but it's like a steam bun, and it's filled with all kinds of goodness. Now, I do think they have these at Disney World. I could be wrong, but something similar to this. But to have 260 calories, and oh, you do. You get 12 total. These are delicious. I think it'd be great to have on hand for like a quick lunch. Also, a quick meal is this shrimp ravioli, and it does come with the lobster sauce. This looks really delicious. $12.99. You get 32 ounces, and it looks like there are 7 servings in this. This would be great for dinner when you need it on a pinch. Look how beautiful these are, you guys. They even smell like roses. These are $89.99. They will last a year. They are beautiful. They smell so good, and I love that the box that they came in. Hint, hint, if you love giving flowers, not a big deal. They're gonna be able to see them all year long. Look how pretty they are. They smell so good. How do they do that? How do they get them to last a year? Well, guys, that was our Costco video. I'll see you next time. Bye.